Manjariasana. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look forward. Lift your back up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, lift your back up and look forward. Inhale, look up. Hold a 3 count. 1, 2, and 3. Next, start Vyaghrasana. Exhale, bend your right knee, touch your nose. Inhale, lift your right leg up, look up, both hands straight. Exhale, bend your right knee, touch your nose. Exhale. Inhale, lift your right leg up, look up, both hands straight. Exhale, bend your right knee, touch your nose. Inhale, straight, lift your right leg up, look up, both hands straight, and hold. 1, 2, and 3, and exhale down. Again, leg change. Bend your left knee and touch your nose. Exhale. Inhale, lift your left leg up, look up, both hands straight. Exhale, touch your nose, look forward. Inhale, look up, leg straight, lift up. Exhale, touch your nose, and inhale, lift your left leg up, both hands straight, look up and hold. 1, 2, and 3. Relax.